Hey folks, it's Don from Gaining Strength, and in this video I want to show you how to do, I'll call them super slow push-ups that greatly increase the difficulty of standard push-ups just by improving your cadence. So this type of push-up, you do a 4-second eccentric, a 4-second hold at the bottom with your chest just above the floor, and then you rise it as quickly as you can, about 2 seconds for the concentric. So it's 4 seconds eccentric, 4 seconds static hold, 2 second up. I'll show you how to do it right now. So the hands should be shoulder width apart, not like this. You want the biggest range of motion possible, so shoulder width apart. And at the top, your shoulders are protracted like so, not like this. Full range of motion is like this, so protracted, then you slowly lower. And then your nose should be touching the floor, but not your chest. 4-second hold here. And then push up like so, slowly. Complete protraction at the top. Slowly lower again. Pause, 4 seconds. Okay, so I was going a little bit faster or slower on the concentric than is necessary. You can do a 2-second concentric. Each repetition takes about 10 seconds. When you can get to 6 repetitions like that, then you can progress to either a variation of a one-arm push-up or just add resistance bands. Okay, that's the slow push-up, 4-second eccentric, 4-second pause, 2-second concentric. Thanks for watching.